The disk trap is a thermodynamic trap. These traps are operated by the energy released when the condensate changes state, or flashes between the disk and the seat.
The disk trap contains only one moving part, the controlled disk itself. When the trap is closed, the disk is on the seat, sealing both the inlet and the outlet orifices. The area containing the disk is called the control chamber. It is a relatively large volume space with restricted inlet and outlet ports. It is the change of state which occurs here that normally controls the opening and closing of the disk trap. On startup, condensate at the inlet port pushes the disk off the seat and flows freely to the outlet port. Condensate passing into the trap drops in pressure. If the condensate temperature is sufficiently high to have reached the saturation for this reduced pressure, some of the condensate re-evaporates or flashes back into steam. Since steam occupies a much greater volume than condensate, flow velocity increases between the disk and seat, resulting in a pressure reduction in this area. At the same time, steam and some condensate collects on the side of the disk opposite the seat, and pressure here rises. The resulting differential pressure across the disk creates a force which snaps the disk onto the seat. The steam in the control chamber pushes on the total area of the disk, while the inlet and back pressures affect only the smaller areas of the inlet port and the discharge groove. This imbalance of force holds the trap shut. Heat radiating from the bonnet causes condensing in the control chamber, reducing the pressure above the disk. When the force above the disk is overcome by the forces below it, the disk is pushed off the seat, opening the trap and starting the next cycle. Since any gas, including air, causes the trap to close, some provision must be made to remove non-condensables from the control chamber. This is usually accomplished with a rough grind applied to the seating side of the disk, or a bleed passage machined between the control chamber and the outlet.